Welcome to the Datagrid work order tutorial. Datagrid's work orders are far more than simply assigning a date and time for work to be performed for a certain client. In Datagrid, you can specify your custom content to be delivered to your technician's mobile device on a specific date in the future. Furthermore, if the work is a repeat process, like an inspection, the technician can simply change the date and the process will repeat itself on the new date. Additionally, you can specify a custom format of the content for each work order upon delivery, automatically. To create a new work order, hover over Manage and click on Work Orders. Click New in the bottom left or upper right to start your new work order. In the Details tab, add a descriptive title and choose a date and time for when you'd like your content delivered to your technician's devices. You can also select a form to assign default report layouts, ensuring your results are automatically formatted for your recipients. Additionally, you can choose a mobile layout and add any necessary comments. Once you're finished, click Save to create your new work order. Now you can link your recipients to your work order. This can be done through the Contacts, Property Owner, and Sites Location tabs. In each tab, you'll find a Browse button that displays a list of existing recipients within your account. Alternatively, you can create a new recipient using the New button. When browsing for recipients to link, you can use the filter settings in the top row to narrow down your list. Once you've identified your preferred recipient, click the Link button on the right. This will link the recipient to your work order, and the link will remain in place until you decide to change it in the future. In the Report Recipients tab, you can select or deselect recipients for delivery. Additionally, you have the option to automate the delivery process. In the Binder Delivery tab, you can attach multiple reports or documents with binders. Click the Browse button on the right to view your list of available binders. To link a binder, click the Link button on the right in each binder row. You can link or unlink binders individually using the Link or Unlink button on the right. Alternatively, you can select multiple binders by checking the boxes on the left and then using the action buttons below. The Produced Reports tab allows you to add a report to a work order after the fact. If a report was missed and then created afterwards, it can be added later. But to have that report included in the next order scheduled push, it must be added to the attached binder within that order. Just like individual sites, you can automatically format your reports or documents to meet your client's specific requirements. This is done by specifying a particular report layout for each work order. To achieve this, navigate to the Default Print Options tab, then select the Report Layout in the Page tabs. From there, drill down and select one or multiple report layouts you wish to associate with that work order. The Assigned Technician tab allows you to schedule a push of report data to one or multiple technicians on a specified date. To review a technician's current calendar, select one from the list on the right. To assign this work order to technicians, start typing their name in the Assigned Technicians text entry area or select them from the drop-down list which is produced once the text area is active. At midnight UTC, the work order and attached documents will be delivered to the specified technician for that day. Thank you for reviewing the Datagrid work order tutorial. Related tutorial links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and updates on Datagrid's powerful features.